friends, today I'm here to talk about a term that's used on quilting patterns all the time, and that I see questions about it all the time as well, and that's subcut. So this will show up in your cutting instructions or cutting tables a lot. You will see, for example, 1 3-inch by width of fabric, then subcut 10 3x3. And a lot of people get confused by that subcut word. So let's talk about what that means. So subcutting means that you're first going to cut that 3-inch strip of fabric, and then from that fabric you will be cutting your 3-inch squares. So let me show you how that's done. So here I have this piece of fabric, and I'm going to take my ruler and cut the 3 by width of fabric strip. And to do that, I've already pressed this and starched it and squared up this edge here. If you're wondering how to do that, you can go to my width of fabric video. At the end, I show you how to do that. So I'm going to take my ruler and I am going to line up my 3-inch line on this side, and then I'm going to line up my ruler on the top as well to make sure I'm getting a nice and straight strip. And then I am going to cut this away. And so now I have a 3-inch by width of fabric strip. And then the instructions say to subcut 3-inch squares. And what I'm going to do is, first thing, I am going to cut away the selvage. So if you haven't done that, make sure to do that. So that's cut away. And then I'm going to cut, I said we needed 10 3-inch squares. I leave my strip folded, and then I line up, say, with the 12 and cut, and then 12 minus 3 is 9, so we're gonna line up with the 9, and that's 2 squares because the fabric is folded. So then we're gonna line up with a 6, and then the 3. And that gives us 2, 4, 6, 8. So then we just need 2 more from this leftover strip here. And that gives us 10 3-inch squares. So just to go over what subcut means, first you cut a strip, whatever the pattern tells you. In this case, it was 3-inch by width of fabric. And then from this strip, you cut your 3-inch squares, or subcut your 3-inch squares. I hope this explanation makes sense to you, and happy sewing.